Hello folks, welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio on this beautiful sunny day. I'm Tim Crazy Martin and I give you a crazy great deal on this crazy awesome Keystone Sprinter Limited. This thing is awesome. If you have kids, this is the one you need. It has 2 full bedrooms and a loft bedroom, which you'll see when we get inside. See all that storage? Look at all the big windows to let light in. This is a 3571FWLFT, which means it's a loft. You got the outside entertainment for a TV, you got storage, you got a mini fridge. This has 4 slide outs, backup camera ready, nice big window so you can sit and look at the lake. Has 1 button push auto leveling. The basement is fully enclosed and heated. More storage. Has the solid steps. I wish I would have invented them. It does come with a remote so you can run your slide outs, do your jacks, lights, awning, all that kind of stuff. Hang some coats there. Look at this. This has a rear living, stadium seating. Look at all these windows. Isn't this nice, folks? Set right across from the TV and the fireplace. On those chilly nights, you can turn that fireplace on. Chilly mornings, don't have to burn up your propane. You have a residential refrigerator freezer. There is an onboard inverter, so it will run anytime. You have an island since you have opposing slides. Storage everywhere you look. Nice big windows. This is the 2nd bedroom. Couch makes into a bed. Lots of storage. Probably fit a 50-inch TV in here. Look at this big window right here. Boy, that lets a lot of light in. You've got your ladder right here that comes out. All the little kids can get up here. You're gonna fight over who gets to sleep up here. They'll love it. On into the bathroom, huge shower, built-in stool, seat, lots of storage. Stainless steel sink, medicine cabinet, king size bed, nice big closet, more storage, more drawers, dresser, more drawers, more storage. You have your TV hook up here. You can mount one of those arms here with a TV, or you can mount it on here with TV out here. You can mount it on top of your dresser. This has 2 air conditioners. There is storage underneath the bed. I hurt my shoulder. Can't lift it up right now. This is a beautiful 5th wheel, folks. But it is missing one thing. It's missing you. A happy new owner that can take it camping. It wants to go camping really, really bad. It needs you. So come to Paul Sherry RVs and you'll leave a happy camper. Call Tim Crazy Martin, 937-559-0702. I'll give you a crazy great deal. Have a blessed day.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.